You are welcome to D&G Paradise Nigeria Limited online training. We want to introduce to you Epoxy glittering flooring. If we say Epoxy glittering flooring, what do we mean by Epoxy glittering flooring? How do they look like? How beautiful! We show you how beautiful they are and where you can install them. Epoxy glittering flooring decoration is a universal, reigning and ultra-modern interior design that will rule the rest 21st century. Very charming, entertaining, durable, strengthening the floor, and also is fire resistant. It can last for more than 50 years if being installed by a professional and with original materials. Another wonderful part of this design is that it makes clients' imagination come to reality. It's a very wonderful design. It's a design that leaves your visitors speechless. It's all about bringing the beauty of God's revelation to our closets. You could choose to make your sitting room look like sparkling gold, silver, or turn your floor to look like lamplight or royal design. Just anything on your mind will make it possible. It's a skill that connects you with people that matter. A design that makes clients happy for not being lazy in life. A design that glorifies the beauty and wisdom of God in us. Enroll yourself in the Millionaire Skills now and clicking the Learn More button, or reach us for your house decoration by clicking the Contact Us Now. It's a wonderful training you cannot afford to miss. This is a skill you can render any part of the world you find yourself. It is a great opportunity. Don't miss it.